Welcome back, everyone. Okay, let's get this stuff done. Okay, now we're going to be starting on this section here, which go on either end of the Falcon. Okay, now with this particular one here, I got it marked off here where there was a blaster hole. Because if you look at the movie, as they're running up the ramp, there's this great big round black spot where a blaster hit on the Falcon and melted through the metal. So I gotta simulate that. I'm just going to use my this thingy in there to make it look like it was hit with a blaster. I'm just gonna use the sandpaper, sand over it a little bit, make it look a little rougher. There we go, there's our blaster hit. Okay, got those two sections done. And the damage on there looks really good. Okay, now we're working on these areas here, which go right here. Okay, moving on to the edging here. So we're starting with this in here. Just going to get these little bits onto that section. Got the next one here. Now these first two sections go to in here. One teeny piece here to put in first. Then we got these little pieces here that go there. We got these three sections here that go on the port side rear. We got this section here that goes just under and behind the cockpit. And we got these three sections that go on this side of the engine, and just one piece to put on there. Okay, now we're ready to put these two front, I guess, forks on the front. As far down as they go. Okay, the reason for my concern about it being going down as far is because you see this gap here all the way across. So what I got to do is I got to take my putty that all in, and then sculpt the putty after it dries to fit it in with the form of the body. So I got this one piece that goes right up in here. And there's a whole section here for lighting the engine here, but we don't really need that because it's kind of moot now. And I also had the little box here. I'm not really going to be using it. So now we're moving on to getting all the parts on for the upper portion of the body. All right, so let's get these little pieces on this puppy right there. That one done. I'm going to do this one now. Okay, so we got these three sections. They're going to go in here. Okay, got these little bits to go on here, and that goes there. Got this little piece that goes right here. Got these three little pieces that go on around the outer edge here as well. Now we're just going to get the bottom part of the communications dish installed there. Now working on the top part of the nose piece here. I'm just going to be putting all the little details on there now. Okay, so we're going to be doing the bits and pieces that go on here now. Now we can put it in place. So the instructions also call for getting the cockpit in place, but I can't just yet because I need to drill a hole for the wiring to fit down through. So according to this, I need to drill it just off to the side here when all the wiring goes down to go into the ship to tie into everything else. So like when I did the pot lights, I'm just going to use this grinder here just to drill out a hole. Okay, but the cockpit itself is not quite ready to be attached yet because I got the putty on the connection points there. I got to let that set and then grind it and then do a little bit of repainting on there, and then it is ready to be installed there. And it also calls for the model to be the top put on to the bottom yet, but I'm not quite ready to do that just yet. So in the meantime, I'm going to get the these sections in place here on the top and bottom, because I still have to do the gun turret interiors with the lighting for those as well. That's got to be done yet before I can put these halves together. So for now, I'm going to move a few steps ahead and start getting the gun turrets in place here. Okay, now I have the option of putting the clear plastic part in there or not. I'm not going to, just for the simple fact, just like the cockpit, you won't be able to see the characters very clearly or the lighting of the panels and all that. So I'm going to leave that off. So I'm going to install the fiber optics first in here, but I need to find out how long I need to make them, because the light is going to go in here somewhere. I'm going to put the back on here right now because it was designed to be able to take the back off to replace the batteries and stuff. There's not going to be any batteries in this thing. And I probably have the light over here, that's like a white, red, and a blue light in his section here, but I need to find out how long I need to make the fiber optics. Okay, you got the fiber optics in there for the first turret area. One more to do, so that's a little over an hour's work right there. Okay, so we got the pieces here ready for installation for the gunner chair. The interiors, fiber optic, are all in there, nice and dry. They're ready to go. I'm not done painting because there are panels in here that are light gray. No. Now that I got it painted in there, looks good. Okay, now we can get this all put together. held together there, and then we can start working on the actual gun. Now, as I stated before, I have the option of using the clear piece to go in here, but I'm not going to, because I want to be able to clearly see Luke Skywalker in there with all the lights and everything. Oh, no. Really? It's going to cause a little bit of damage with the fibers, but not much. I hope. So we got these sections here we're going to all put together now. There we go. Well done. That's the top one. One with Luke Skywalker in it. That's good. Now we have these two little pieces that go here and here on the bottom half. Now I'm going to get the bottom gunner turret section in here now. And there we go, looking good. But that is it for this episode. In the next one, we are going to be doing the installation of the rest of the lighting and the fiber optics and all the fine little detailing and stuff around the outside of the hull. Please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. I'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.